All right. I'm not going to take very much of your time because you're going to look at this and almost giggle at how silly it is. This is more so for you to get in the habit of writing equations how Ms. Hoff's expectations are. So to solve an equation, you must get the variable alone and then worry about it being a positive 1 coefficient. Okay? So when you solve equations, and I'm going to guess this was the same way in 7th grade, leave the equal sign alone. Who cares if the variable's on the right? It doesn't matter. You need to draw a bar through the equal sign. Your equal sign cannot move. It always stays there. My goal is to get V alone. So I'm going to cover V up. What do I need to get rid of? 8. How do I move it? You subtract it. You always do the opposite. Now don't chicken scratch this. Right below it, I want to see -8. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do the other. -8. Draw a big, huge equals bar. 26 minus 8 is 18. 8 and -8 cancel. You bring down V. The second thing you have to check, is the coefficient of V a positive 1? Yes, it's not written there, but it's an understood. Done. Let's go down. -15 plus n equals -9. Draw your line through the equal sign. I need to get n alone, so I cover it up. What do I need to get rid of? How do I get rid of a -15? Very good. The opposite would be adding 15. Whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. Draw a big equals bar. -15 and 15 cancel. We drag down n. Wow. -9 plus 15. 6. Check. Is it a positive 1 coefficient? Yes. Done. Do the bottom one on your own. M. Find M on your own. When I cover up M, what do I need to get rid of? To get rid of -9, I add 9 to both sides. Draw your equal bar. Not -9 and +9 cancel. I drag down M. -13 plus 9, -4. Now, one thing I request, don't get your negative sign stuck in that equal sign, right? Sometimes it happens, and then I'm like, I don't know if this is negative or positive, and if I can't tell, I have to count it wrong. Do you have a positive 1 in front of M? Yes. So there are different variations that you may see where you have to add or subtract to get your variable alone. On the right-hand side, what's different about this one? They're multiplied. We still have to do the opposite. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So division is easy as shown as a fraction. So show me that you're dividing both sides by 10. Your 10 cancels, leaving you a 1n. 40 divided by 10 is 4. Is n by itself?
Yeah.
Does it have a positive 1 coefficient?
Yeah.
Then you are done. Bottom right, V. What do we have here? We have division. The opposite of division is multiplication. So you need to show me that you're multiplying both sides by 8. Cancels your 8, leaves you V equals 16. Is V by itself?
Yes.
Do you have a positive 1 in front of it?
Yes.
Technically, yes. That was painful, wasn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Simple. No calculators today. You can do this. I expect to see work on every problem. If you get done, put it in your folder and find something to do. It is not social hour. We struggle with that at the end of the day. Okay? All right, rock and roll. This is due on Tuesday. Seconds.